In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Zapier account. If you've decided you no longer need Zapier, I'll walk you through the exact screens to get your account deleted safely and confidently. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent. Your Zaps, task history, app connections, and any associated data will be removed and automations will stop running. If there's anything you might want later, consider saving it outside Zapier first. With that in mind, let's get started. Open your browser and head to zapier.com, then sign into your account. Use the same credentials you normally use. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It might show your photo or your initials. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings dashboard where you can adjust your profile, preferences, and security. On the settings page, find the section or tab labeled Security and Data. Click that. This area is dedicated to protecting your account and managing your data and privacy controls. Inside Security and Data, look for the option that says Delete My Account. It's typically easy to spot because it's a critical action. Pause for a moment here and double check that you're ready to proceed. Deleting your account will remove your access and any automations tied to it. If you have teammates or shared workflows, remember that removing your account could impact them too. When you're certain, click Delete My Account. Next, you'll be prompted to confirm it's you. Click Confirm It's You to start the verification step. Zapier may ask you to re-enter your password, approve a login prompt, or complete two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. This verification protects your data by ensuring only the rightful owner can delete the account. After you confirm your identity, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the deletion. You may be asked for a brief reason or to acknowledge the consequences of deleting your account. Complete those confirmations and submit. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the request has been processed. In some cases, you might also receive an email confirming the deletion. That's it. You've successfully navigated to your settings, opened security and data, selected Delete My Account, and verified your identity to complete the process. If you ever change your mind later, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process clear and stress-free.